And we'll get into that, but first, let's go ahead and dive into this unboxing. So when I got the box, I was like, holy cow, this packaging is really phenomenal. They have this faded nature scene on the box, kind of all around it, with their logo, Huckberry, right here. Okay, enough chitter chatter. Let's go ahead and dive into the actual unboxing. So alright. Right off the bat, what do we got here? So we got a thank you. Right off the bat, that's the first thing that I see when I'm opening this up, is this card that says thank you. Fun little postcard.